This is the first video of 2018 and I would like to wish you a happy new year, and hopefully we will have a good year together. The main purpose of this channel is to make you save money and improve your life without falling into the buy at the next gadget and the next thing whenever it comes out. Let's not think about that for a while and enjoy the unboxing of this Android TV box. This is the Mecool M8S Pro W, which is an Android TV box that has Ethernet, HDMI and wireless. Opening the package, we see the box. The first thing that is shown on the top, it's a very tiny box in a nice packaging, nice protective plastic foil. These are the instructions, the manual, that's how you connect everything. I'm just showing you if you want to pause it and read the text on the screen. Going further in the package, under the place where the box was, you find the remote and the power adapter and an HDMI cable. The power adapter has looks decent, but you have to be careful. If you have a better power adapter, you might be able to use that. These are the specifications if you want to change to use another power adapter. And this is the jack. It's positive in the middle. Center is positive. And this is the HDMI cable, just a standard HDMI cable, normal length, and that's the remote. It's a simple remote that has infrared. It's using infrared, not wireless. It has the numeric pad and the menu wheel. And it smells like fresh plastic. The buttons are clicky, they feel good to the touch. You have the volume and the skip forward and backward buttons. Also, you can control your TV by learning the infrared codes of the remote of the TV. The instructions are here if you want to pause the video and read them now. It doesn't come with any battery, which is not surprising. It needs two AAA batteries, the small kind. Now let's get to the actual box. It smells really like freshly made plastic. This is a really soft plastic bag, it protects it very well, but mine didn't look like it was very clean. I don't know what happened. Anyway, I cleaned it up a little bit. And the box is very small, it's just the size of a hand. And you can see the logo Mecool and M8S Pro W. On the sides there are many vents, and here we have the two USB ports, which will be very useful, and the micro SD card. On the back side we have an AV connection and audio, and these are analog connections, you wouldn't really use these nowadays. And then we have the Ethernet connector, HDMI and power input. On the other sides is just air vents. On the back side you see more details about it. Made in China for sure. It has nice rubber feet that will keep it steady wherever you put it under your TV. It doesn't move easily, left or right. The bezel of the box has this red line, which makes it interesting. Connecting everything together, first I start with the HDMI cable. The Ethernet port, I will connect Ethernet cable to it. And the power, that's all it needs to start working. It has 2 GB of DDR3 RAM and 16 GB of storage space. The processor is an ARM Cortex A53. and it can decode H.265 video of 4K resolution and up to 30 frames per second. Powering it on from the remote, I was expecting to see a picture on the TV, but it didn't work because I didn't plug in the HDMI cable correctly. You have to be careful with that. And this is the screen as the box starts. You see the logo of M8S Pro W and the usual Mecool layout of icons. You can use the Google Play Store to install any apps you would like. Before doing that, you should check the language. For me, the language as it started was Chinese, I believe. And when you do this, you just go down to the globe icon, and from there you can change the language to anything you like. I like to change the power key mode from sleep to shutdown. Going to the About page, this is the information about the software on the box. These are the apps that are pre-installed on the box. As I told you before, you can install any other app you like, but these ones come pre-installed right from the start. It even has Netflix pre-installed, ready to use. It's easy to play YouTube videos on this box, and you can browse videos, subscribe to channels and watch your regular feed. And this is one of my videos just to check the play functionality. The responsiveness on the menu, it's very good. There is no delay, no lag, it's just real-time reactions. The box also gives you the option to do over-the-air updates, and you can check the update, and if there is nothing, it will just say can't be found. This is the DRM information of the box if you want to check the compatibility with your apps. The first impression is good, but I will try it and let you know how it is in a future video. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you like the video. And I will see you next time. Bye.